No-fuss desserts are the best desserts. And so let's make 3 simple desserts with just 2 ingredients each. Strawberry ice cream with sugar syrup, cupcake with frosting, and a chocolate brownie with chocolate chips. They're easy to make and delicious at the same time. Cooking Company will take you one step at a time to prepare these 3 delicious desserts. Are you ready? All you need is 250 grams of frozen strawberries with 65 millilitres of sugar syrup. Blend it together to make a smooth consistency for our ice cream. Look at that. A beautifully refreshing flavour, perfect for summer parties. Now let's smooth it over with a spatula and stick it in the freezer for 3 hours. And there you have it. Delicious strawberry flavoured ice cream. How easy was that? Why not stick a fresh strawberry on top? Next, we're going to get some cake mix flour, 350 grams of that. Stick it in a bowl with 200 millilitres of sparkling soda. We're using strawberry flavoured Fanta, which adds a lovely pink colour. We whisk it away until it becomes mousse-like in texture. We can put that mousse-like mixture into a piping bag to pipe them into our moulds, ready to put in the oven. Bake at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. And voila, there we have it. Why not serve this with a dribble of vanilla frosting and a fresh strawberry? Lovely. Last but not least, we're going to melt 220 grams of dark chocolate chips in the microwave at 750 watts for 2 minutes. Stir it up so it all smooths out. Now we're going to need 3 different bowls for this next part. We need 4 eggs. First, we're going to put the egg whites to one side in a different bowl. Then, one by one, we're going to add our yolks to our chocolate mixture. Stir that in one at a time. Then we're going to get our egg white mixture and whisk it until it's really, really white and frothy, kind of like when you make meringue. Have you ever made meringue? Frothy heaven. Now we're going to spoon in a dollop of that at a time, one at a time, and mix it each time until it's all blended nicely together. Delicious. We're going to pour that into our cake mould. Then we're going to bake that in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. And when it's finished, why not sprinkle some icing sugar on top for decoration? Cut a slice and serve it with a dollop of ice cream. Wow, I would not mind a slice of that rich, gooey chocolate cake. See, it really is that easy. Just 2 ingredients, folks.